Cashews. The name itself evokes a sense of indulgence, of creamy richness and satisfying crunch. These beloved nuts, enjoyed across the globe in sweet and savory dishes alike, are more than just a tasty treat. They are nutritional powerhouses, boasting a remarkable array of vitamins, minerals, and health-boosting compounds. From the bustling streets of Mumbai, where street vendors roast cashews to perfection, to the elegant patisseries of Paris, where they add a delicate crunch to pastries, cashews have captivated taste buds for centuries. Their versatility in the culinary world is matched only by their impressive nutritional profile. But beyond their delectable flavor and culinary versatility, cashews offer a wealth of health benefits, making them a wise addition to any diet. Cashews are a treasure trove of essential nutrients packed with an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's break down the nutritional profile of these wonder nuts, exploring the key components that make them a true superfood. First and foremost, cashews are an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These good fats, also found in avocados and olive oil, have been linked to lower levels of bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Beyond fats, cashews provide a plant-based protein punch. With approximately 6 grams of protein per ounce, they rival cooked meat in terms of protein content, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based protein into their diet. But that's not all. Cashews are also rich in fiber, a crucial nutrient for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, it contributes to feelings of fullness and satiety, aiding in weight management. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to prioritize heart health through diet and lifestyle choices. Thankfully, incorporating cashews into your diet can be a delicious step towards a healthier heart. As we've established, cashews are abundant in monounsaturated fats, which help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. This balance is essential for healthy blood flow and reduces the risk of plaque buildup in arteries, a major contributor to heart disease. Beyond their favorable fat profile, cashews are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, allowing for smoother blood flow and reducing strain on the heart. Moreover, cashews contain antioxidants like vitamin E and selenium, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can contribute to heart disease. By neutralizing these harmful compounds, antioxidants help maintain the integrity of blood vessels and promote overall cardiovascular health. For individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, snack choices are crucial. Cashews, with their unique nutritional composition, emerge as a smart and satisfying option. Unlike refined carbohydrates that can spike blood sugar levels, cashews have a low glycemic index. This means they are digested and absorbed slowly, preventing rapid fluctuations in blood sugar. Furthermore, the fiber content in cashews plays a significant role in blood sugar control. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, promoting gradual and sustained energy release, preventing sugar crashes and reducing insulin spikes. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber in cashews creates a trifecta of blood sugar stabilizing power. This makes them a perfect snack for those with diabetes or anyone aiming to maintain balanced blood sugar levels throughout the day. Section 5. Weight Management and Satiety. Cashews to the rescue. In a world obsessed with fad diets and quick fixes, sustainable weight management remains a challenge for many. The key lies in adopting a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mindful eating habits. Cashews, surprisingly, can play a supportive role in this journey. While nuts in general have a high calorie density, the key to incorporating them into a weight management plan lies in portion control. A small handful of cashews can provide a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, preventing overeating and unhealthy snacking. The protein and fiber content in cashews contribute significantly to their satiating effect. Protein, a complex macronutrient, takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Moreover, the fiber in cashews adds bulk to the diet, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. By incorporating cashews as a mindful snack option, you can satisfy your cravings while supporting your weight management goals. Section 6. Strong bones and beyond. The mineral might of cashews. Strong and healthy bones are essential for overall well-being, allowing us to move freely and engage in everyday activities with ease. While calcium often takes center stage in bone health discussions, other minerals like magnesium and manganese play equally crucial roles. Cashews are a good source of both magnesium and manganese, minerals that contribute to bone density and strength. Magnesium aids in calcium absorption, ensuring that the body can effectively utilize the calcium we consume. Manganese, on the other hand, is involved in the formation of bone cartilage, the connective tissue that cushions joints and supports smooth movement. Adequate manganese intake is crucial for maintaining bone flexibility and preventing age-related bone loss. Beyond their bone-boosting benefits, magnesium and manganese offer a range of additional health benefits. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, promotes restful sleep, and helps regulate blood pressure. Manganese, as an antioxidant, protects cells from damage and plays a role in wound healing and a healthy immune system. Section 7. Cashew Curiosities, unveiling the secrets of this versatile seed. Cashews, with their unique shape and creamy texture, often get mistaken for nuts. However, a fascinating botanical truth awaits. Cashews are not nuts at all but seeds. They grow on the cashew apple, a pear-shaped fruit native to Brazil. The cashew seed hangs outside the fruit, encased in a hard shell that contains a toxic oil called urushiol. This oil, also found in poison ivy, can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions. To remove the harmful oil, cashews undergo a steaming process before they reach our shelves. This steaming process also explains why the raw cashews we buy are not truly raw. The heat treatment deactivates the urushiol, making the cashews safe for consumption. Another interesting fact: cashews are incredibly versatile in the culinary world. They can be enjoyed roasted, salted, candied, or incorporated into savory dishes, adding a rich, buttery flavor and satisfying crunch. Cashew butter, a creamy and nutritious alternative to peanut butter, has also gained popularity as a spread, dip, and ingredient in smoothies and desserts. Section 8. Ethical consumption and allergy awareness. As with any food, it's essential to be mindful of the source of our cashews and consume them responsibly. Ethical sourcing ensures fair labor practices for farmers and workers involved in the cashew industry, promoting sustainable farming methods and environmental protection. When purchasing cashews, look for certifications like Fair Trade, which guarantees fair wages and safe working conditions for farmers. Supporting brands committed to ethical sourcing aligns our consumption choices with our values, promoting a more just and sustainable food system. On the note of responsible consumption, it's crucial to address a critical aspect: cashew allergies. Cashews are among the most common allergens, and allergic reactions can range from mild itching and hives to severe, life-threatening anaphylaxis. If you have a known nut allergy, it's essential to exercise caution when consuming cashews or products containing them. Always read food labels carefully and inquire about ingredients when dining out. If you experience any symptoms of an allergic reaction, seek medical attention immediately. Section 9. Embrace the crunch, incorporating cashews into your daily diet. From promoting heart health and balancing blood sugar to supporting weight management and strengthening bones, the benefits of cashews are undeniable. Incorporating these versatile seeds into your daily diet is easier than you might think. Enjoy a handful of cashews as a satisfying and nutritious snack between meals. Their protein and fiber content will keep you feeling full and energized, preventing energy dips and unhealthy cravings. Sprinkle chopped cashews onto salads for a satisfying crunch and a boost of healthy fats and plant-based protein. They complement salads of all kinds, from leafy greens to grain bowls. Incorporate cashew butter into your breakfast routine. Spread it on whole grain toast, add a dollop to your oatmeal, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture and a boost of nutrients. Get creative in the kitchen. Cashews can be used in countless sweet and savory dishes. Add them to stir-fries, curries, and stews for a rich, nutty flavor. Use them to make dairy-free cheese sauces, creamy desserts, or homemade granola bars. Remember, moderation is key. While cashews offer numerous health benefits, they are calorie-dense, so enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced and varied diet.